Sister man, what's your problem? Are you blind? You not see my motor when they come for back? Wetin?
You splash me water.
I splash water, be you nearly spoil my motor. If you dey waka dey look well, sure you don't carry yourself put for road, you be signboard. All these old men, as long as una don lose una memory, that's all I go dey misbehave. Nonsense. Don't try this thing next time.
Okay, you splash. You
If you talk now, I go carry water bath you. I go come back bath you. I go slap you, your idiot. Bastard.
For just small.
God punish you. You hear me? God punish you.
At least you go try and say sorry now. My God will judge you. Is it not the same motor that splashed me water? God will fight for me.
You this useless old man again. No, leave me. Do you know that this man nearly spoiled my car on the road and you still trace me down to this particular house? Are you mad or something? No, I don't understand. Eh? Your uncle.
Jesus!
The Lord has done it, finally.
5 years of madness.
Young man, you see this life? God has his way of doing things.
God
She don't tell me say you be uncle when I take splash water now.
So now you admit that you smashed water.
No, it's not like I splash water. My motor.
How are you?
You are a bad boy.
I'm fine, sir.
You are a bad boy.
So I left the house to go and get something, telling me I'm coming back late. You invited a man to my house.
Why you invite a man to your house?
But don't leave it. My brother, the daddy will hear about this.
Uncle,
Hey, young man.
is my friend.
Yes. I'm now.
Came to visit.
I be mechanic.
Mechanic.
Yes, mechanic. Yes, sir.
I will make on you today.
No, sir.
I'm a retired army.
Why you don't tell me now?
Young man,
Sir.
on your hunches.
Sir, I be mechanic.
And go down. You go inside.
Why you do? Okay.
Go inside!
Look, I follow.
Oh, you want to go inside too?
No, I'm the one collect my screwdriver.
Problem in all the
Give it to me. So this is what you want to use for my...
No, it's not balloon for decoration. We do graduation.
Open it. Let's blow it.
Okay. You don't open up for anything, sir.
Balloon.
Yes, sir.
Blow it. So that's how I used to do it.
No, it's
You splash me water. I'm sorry, you can't talk.
I will tell you sorry now. I'm sorry, sir.
That's it. Go down and blow it.
Okay, sir.
You see this life? Learn how to be respectful. So in that case, you have to calm down and listen and learn how to tender apology.
Okay, sir.
If you don't know how to do it, I don't think you will survive the way I've survived war. So in that case, I will make you now.